Hey everyone, a huge announcement right now. Some of you have already noticed in your back office, but I'll tell you. We have also just brought in live interviewed leads. Now, what that means is someone's already pre-called them and went over an interview, basically asking them if they're looking for a home-based business, if they have some money to spend, et cetera, et cetera. And so we have our real-time leads that have been doing great for the last 2.5 years. But some of you are still a little timid on the phone. Some of you, don't really know how to do the good pitches and stuff. And so we brought in what we call interviewed leads. So someone's already pre-interviewed them, and these people are definitely looking for a home-based business. These are very, very high caliber leads looking for something. That being said, they're more expensive. Okay, instead of paying 88 cents, you're going to start around $4. Okay. You don't have to do it. We still have our leads for 88 cents, which are awesome. They've been converted for 2.5 years. They'll convert for another 2.5 years. Our leads rock. But if you want a little bit high caliber lead and you know that you're going to make money, so for example, if you're in a deal and you make, even like the TCP, if you know that you're going to make $25 a month, which is what, an extra over $250 a year, and you spend some money on leads and you spend $4 and you got one to convert, you're up 21 bucks that month, but then you're up 25 bucks the next month, 25 bucks the next month, 25 bucks the next month off the lead you spent $4 on. You know what I mean? So some of you are in deals that, pay $200 or $500 or $1,000 upfront commission. So do the math on that. So in our lead packages now, we offer our regular leads that are awesome. And now if you look and you see live interviewed leads, those are leads that have already someone has pre-called them and basically warmed them up. Okay, so that's pretty awesome. So again, and these leads cost a lot more than that. If you were going to go buy them without Conversion Pros, again, we don't make any money on leads. You're getting our costs on these leads, which is crazy. We should probably try to make some money on them, but we don't. So you get our price based on our volume, and again, very, very high caliber lead. Not going to be for everybody. Some people don't have the kind of marketing budget for that, but if you do, I think you'll get some really, really good results out of these leads. If you call them, follow up. Again, call all your leads. And just so everyone knows too, I test our leads all the time. So yesterday I called a few leads, and the first one I got, the girl hung up on me. Okay, it's going to happen, right? The second one I got, the second call, the first call girl was, you can tell she's a young girl, blah, blah, blah. The second one I talked to, she was out of Atlanta. She's like, listen, yes, I'm looking for a business opportunity. I'm glad you called. Like that. So leads, I was like, wow, I'm excited. Let me get someone to reach out to you, and so someone can reach out to that lead and whatnot. But so we do test leads all the time, and all I see is great results. But these new interview leads, woo! Get ready for some money because these people answered, again, we're interviewed. So huge announcement. We keep getting better. We keep over-delivering here at the Conversion Pros compared to everything out there. Aren't you glad we don't sell clicks? Aren't you glad we don't sell useless clicks, that never go anywhere? We actually sell real leads that answered an ad. Woo, and that refreshing for the same price people sell clicks for. How about that for an idea? That's why you love us. And we paid out a bunch of money today, too. Congratulations to all you that got a lot of money today. Today was payday. Today's Friday. We paid out a heck of a lot of money today. Congratulations to all you that got paid. All right, everybody. Hope you enjoy those new leads.